So quickly, let's go into the ways that you can earn 1,000 naira online every hour as a Nigerian. So the site is www.nairaworker.com. I already opened it, it's right here. Just click on it. You can equally do this with your phone. So this is how it is. 736 plus tax completed. You can see, right? So if you complete one, it's gonna be 737. A crowdsourcing platform for individuals and businesses. So I think this is kind of similar to Fiverr, where you complete tasks and then you earn money for completing such tasks. So do you wanna register as a business owner, or you wanna be a freelancer? You can browse the jobs that they have. You can sign up to their website, promote your content. If you're registering as a business owner, install mobile apps, subscribe to YouTube channel. So if you're registering as a business owner, you can go on here. If you want to be a freelancer, you want to see what they do, you go on here. So let's see what this browse jobs looks like. So okay, for us to access that, we have to log in. So for those that are not logged in, you're not their member yet, you have to sign up to see what they really have. So this is for Nigerians, and this is a way that you can earn money. So okay, I'm not a registered member yet, so I'm going to register. Actually, they pay us every Wednesday and Friday. For those that would start asking these questions, that's when they pay. So let's register and then proceed. You can equally do this with your phone. I already said that. So my name is Mary. Can I write Mary? And my last name is Omefe. So I'm gonna write that. My username is gonna be Marigold. I'm leaving it that I am a female. My email is gonna be absolutewoman1 referrer. Now if you want to work on here as a referrer, whoever referred is gonna have a link or a code which you're gonna enter here. But now nobody referred me to this, so I don't have any to enter here. So quickly I'll come on to creating my password and then I'll progress from there. So excuse me please. Again, I made a mistake, so I have my cap lock on. So enter your password, whatever password you want to use, it's up to you. I actually have to confirm my password, but I'm working with one finger. So and then go on to click and sign up. Activation code has been sent to me, but I'm gonna go on to that letter has been sent to your email. Also, woman, activate account. So I have to actually log into my email to activate my account. I'm gonna go through doing that later on, but this is what this is what it is. So once you are signed up, you can now go on to progress from there. So this is what the wallet looks like. Whenever you do a work, it's gonna be on here. Anytime you complete a task, when you refer people, it will be on here. Pending funds, total funds. When you're ready, when you want to withdraw, when you have money, you can withdraw from on here. You can transfer part of the money to your work fund. If you have a work you want to finance, you want to put a work on here for people to do for you, you can from your earning transfer it to your work fund so that jobs can be done for you. So transfer referral bonus to tax earning for withdrawal. So a tax earning for withdrawal, if you refer people here and you want to withdraw all your money, you use this link, you transfer the money to the task, to your tax earning section, and then you can now withdraw everything. So you actually get paid for referring people. You can actually also get paid for tasks that have been completed. Let's see available jobs. So these are some of the available jobs here. Most recent and most friends, Satoshi app was 45 naira. So I guess probably if you sign up for the app, you get 45 naira. Piggyvest users only. Once you sign up for Piggyvest, you get 82 naira. Palmpay 112 naira. So these actually user only. So these are ways you can earn money. Sign up with those people and get paid. When you refer people to them, also you get paid. So these are simple sign and all of that. So once a task get completed, the money is added to your account. YouTube watch videos. Good. When you watch people's video on YouTube, you get 24 naira. So this is it. 24. So these are the money. This is actually 82 naira. For new user, you sign up with them, you earn 82. So any number you're able to actually do, you can any amount you're actually able to complete within the hour, you can earn your money. So this is most recent. Let's check on highest paying gigs. Let's see what the highest paying is like, so that you can know how many of the highest paying jobs do I have to do within an hour to get all the money I needed. So only new users sign up for this. 150 naira. Credit loan app 140 naira. So excuse me please, just do it this way. So you can see it there. This is like the highest paying one, 50, and then Piggyvest sign up is also here. So you choose what works for you. Complete a task, get your money. Refer people, you can choose to just stick on to referring people. Refer people, get your money. So in the end, your earnings will be on here, your balance will be here. Satisfied, that's once a client is satisfied, they're gonna notify Naira that they're satisfied with you. So satisfied client's number will be on here. Pending funds, the funds that you haven't collected will be on here. Success rate, how successful have you been on Naira Worker? Have you been able to complete all your tasks, do everything you need to do? So there are so many of them. Movies on Telegram channel. So there's so many workers here. Anyone you're able to complete it and start earning money. So So decide what you want to do and how you can go about it. You can do this with your phone. Just sign up with them and start earning money. So if you have any questions, anything, whatever, comments, anything, just put them down below. I'll be available to take all your questions and suggestions. Thank you.